Where do you live? That's the opener. Where do you live? Send location. Welcome back, gentlemen. I thought we'd do a fun little video today and we could laugh at some of these individuals on these dating apps. Now, I know there is a narrative around dating apps that it's not a good place to be for men. And I agree with that. 90% of the time, 95% of the time. But I thought I would share this story with you just to give a little glimpse into the reality of what these kind of women are experiencing on a daily basis. Okay, so this is from an individual, from the Pikachu Queen, who is saying, for men who could wish they experience, fucked that up completely, for the men who wish they could experience online dating as a woman. Here is an album of the first messages I got on one dating app, including a stalker who somehow recognized me, found me on Facebook despite not putting any of that information and having a different name. That's some grade A level Facebook stalking. Skills, CIA skills. So trust me, quality is so much better than quantity. Quantity means nothing in online dating. Okay, so let's go through some of these right now. Starting off very, very strong, gentlemen. You are built for BBC. I'll fight every dude in your DMs for your Snapchat. Hi, sexy lady. You so attractive, girl. Really, you occupied my attention. Can we get together tonight? You gotta have some serious balls just to throw your address out there like that. And I mean, I honestly wonder what goes through some of these guys' minds in thinking that she's gonna reply to that thinking, you know what? You fucking said the magic words, brother. I will be over as soon as I can. I want you, shall we have sex? I need to pause here for just a minute. Please don't be one of these guys. Do not be one of these guys. It's the kinds of guys who comment like the fire emojis underneath girls' picture in like in Instagram, or the water drops picture underneath the Instagram. Those guys are fucking nobody. They're probably virgins, to be completely transparent with you, and this is just some sad attempt to try and get some attention here. But please don't be these men. Please don't. Where do you live? That's the opener. Where do you live? Send location. Is there still some room for me in those jeans? I'm imagining he read it somewhere and he thought, you know what, that sounds fucking good. Let me lead with that. Let me lead with that. You a freak. 2K for video fun. Sorry, it's so bland. I mean, at least these individuals have, or this individual in this case, has the self reservation, or the self-reflection, or the introspection to recognize that he is being very, very forward in this case. We should role play. I don't think we should. Hey, you like big guys? Sexy link. Are you real? Do you like bisexual boys? Wanna see my big fat? Another pause here, gentlemen. I mean, how many messages is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 messages that all of you guys watching this video can do better than immediately, right? So the narrative that I was alluding to at the start is this idea that it's impossible for men to compete on dating apps because these women are getting loads and loads of matches, just so many matches. Even the average women and the lower than average women are getting more matches than the above average guy, and that's true. That's true. Little shout out to Wheat Waffles. He's done the studies on this, and it's 100% true. So in your mind, you watch these videos, these black pill videos, and you go, "There's no point. How am I going to stand out in this crowd?" Well, you can stand out pretty easily by not being a fucking I don't know, IQ is less than 100 here. IQ is single digits, for sure. Shall we continue? Yeah, beautiful feet, lovely. That ain't creepy whatsoever. Have we got some more? Please tell me we've got some more. Yeah, we've got some more. Got some more. Okay, so this must be the stalker, right? So-and-so sent you a friend request. Do I know you? Hey, I tried to write you on Meet Me. I'm really interested. Oh, I wasn't trying to give you the wrong impression. Bro, this is fucking creepy as fuck, not to mention you're in a relationship. I'm not anymore. I can believe that. For some reason, I can believe he's not in a relationship anymore. I just didn't change it on my profile. Obviously, if you message someone on a dating site and they don't answer, they ain't interested, buddy. Take the L. Never double text. Never ever double text on a dating app. If she's interested in you, she will always message back. She will always message back. The women that aren't interested in you aren't going to message you back. It's not going to happen. She isn't the one, bro. But that's good, because you dodged the bullet that way. If she ain't messaging you back, good. She's not the person for you. Okay, I said, my bad already. You don't got to act that way. You get on the defensive. I think he's texted her now. You're such a mean, sad bitch. Why do they always go, you know, you hear these stories about guys when they're trying to pick up women and they get rejected and they go, fuck you, you're ugly anyway. It gets so defensive so quickly, man. Yeah, whose man is this? Always the ugliest dudes who get mad when you reject them. It is sad, man. It is sad in some of these cases with the individuals that maybe aren't as, what would you say, biologically or physiologically blessed. I want to read, hold on, the rest of this message. Who's shit in your cereal? But don't be, you can read that yourselves. Be gone away from you, just wanted to talk, thought you'd find it flattering. Go talk about with your friends. And by the way, you can suck my dick. Fuck off. Okay, nice. Yeah, you got to feel bad for the individuals who aren't physiologically and biologically blessed in terms of their genetics. You just got to find different ways of going about it. You got to lean into humor. You got to lean into, you know, cold approach. All these things are going to be platforms for you to perform better. Oh, we got more. You an emo Latin? I would do anything for it. It just goes back to the point I've made. What woman looks at that and goes, yeah, you're my kind of guy. You're a fitness girl. Wow, want to have some fun. How beautiful. How much for you to watch? To watch him? That's kind of weird. Damn, I would read you. Fuck. Are you more boy shorts or something? Can we be sex friends? Let's move in together and let me get you pregnant. This was a favorite, apparently. This was a common. Your pretty face. I don't even get it. You know, half of these guys are illiterate. It doesn't even work, man. Yeah. It really makes you think about the state of these guys. Is this the same guy? Oh, right. Okay, girl, look. I know you're young as hell, but well, a man's got a need. A man's got a need, so get your teeny tiny little round young booty over here. I'm gonna polish my belt against your soft tonsils. Okay, hurry up. Okay. A little bit more creative than the others. You gotta give this guy credit, I guess. Nearly. Okay, I think this is the last one here. Hey love, I'm not even trying to waste your time. I'm not looking for nothing serious. Just friends with benefits or a sneaky link. Link me if you're down for that. And man, you gotta empathize with women at this stage, because this is some creepy shit. I'd be scared to go out at night. I would. Hey there, could I please just get a brutally honest opinion on my dick? The state of men, man. The state of men. Can we be friends? I'm just a little boy. Hey, I'm looking for a cool girl to along with my baby mother. Do you want to move into my apartment and be my wife rent-free? Fuck's sake. Just sending some money. Another one. I need to stop this, man. Right. Yeah, let's end this there. So guys, just to kind of conclude on this here, you are 100 times better than the state of some of this here. And this is just one girl. This is just one guy. This is probably happening multiple times with multiple different women, with the same people. So, as much as we can devolve into this cycle of recognizing that somebody might be taller than us, or better looking than us, or funnier than us, at least we are not this degenerate, and we are always going to be better than these bottom barrel scrapes of fucking filth. These aren't theories, these are facts, gentlemen. Take care, I'll speak to you soon.